project title is Smart Fleet Management System using Machine Learning. Now we are going to see about the overview of our process. The main objective of our project is to predict the driver behavior based on a data set using different machine learning algorithms. Driving behavior has a large impact on vehicle fuel consumption. Dedicated study on the relationship between driving behavior and fuel consumption can contribute to decreasing the energy cost of transportation and the development of the behavior assessment technology. However, modeling driving behavior under the dynamic driving conditions is complex. Making a quantitative analysis of the relationship between the driver behavior and the fuel consumption is difficult. In this system, the driver behavior dataset was collected from dataset repository. Then we have to implement the pre-processing techniques. Then the systems developed the two different machine learning regression algorithms such as ridge regression and lasso regression. Finally, we have to estimate some performance metrics like error values, that is the mean absolute error and mean square error. Then we have to calculate the driver score for particular input data. So this is the overview of our process. This is the flow of our project. First we have to take the dataset. The dataset name is driver behavior dataset. Here we have to read or select your input dataset by using pandas package. The selected data are carried out to pre-processing step. Here we have to checking any missing values is present in your dataset. If you have any number of missing values, means we have to replace that missing values by zeros, or else we have to calculate the mean or median and fill that value inside of missing values. Why we are handling missing values means for avoid wrong prediction. Then the pre-processed data are carried out to data splitting module. Here we have to split your whole data set into test and train. Test is used for prediction and train is used for evaluation. After that, the splitted data are performed to or carry out to classification module. So under this module we are implemented two different regression algorithms such as lasso regression and ridge regression, then prediction. So in this module we have to calculate or predict the driver score based on your input attributes. Then we performance analysis. Here we have to estimate the performance, means some error values like MAE, MSC and whatever it is. So this is the flow of our project. Now we are going to see about the output. First we have to read your input data set. So with the help of pandas package we have to read your input data set. So here we are displayed some sample of data from your data set. After that pre-processing, checking missing values. So every column contains 0. So 0 means there is no missing values in our data set. This is the indicates count of missing values. After that we have to implement the classification algorithm. Here we are implemented ridge regression and lasso regression. So in under this regression we have to estimate some performance metrics like error values, that is the MAE and MSC. So this is for lasso regressions. Then we will give some input, then the driver score will be predicted. Similarly, this is the input for sample of data 2. It will be predicted the driver scores. Then we have to compare the algorithm comparison, which one is efficient when based on your error values. After that we have to compare the graph in the form of visualization. So this is the output of our project. So we are running our process in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. Thank you.